Delicious and nutritious vegetable chicken stew. Vegetable chicken stew is a versatile and customizable dish packed with tender chicken and vibrant vegetables. It offers a delicious and hearty base with the flavors of aromatic herbs and spices. To make a delicious stew, choose boneless, skinless chicken thighs or braised, an assortment of vegetables like carrots, potatoes, celery, onions, and peas, and flavorful herbs and spices. Simmer the stew for 30 to 40 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together and create a delicious base. Vegetable chicken stew provides lean protein, essential vitamins and minerals, dietary fiber, antioxidants, and support for a healthy immune system. Pair the stew with crusty bread, rice, or pasta, side salad and garnishes like fresh herbs. Store leftover stew in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and reheat on the stovetop or in the microwave. Vegetable chicken stew is hearty, flavorful, and customizable dish that provides essential nutrients and offers several health benefits. It can be enjoyed with various accompaniments and is suitable for different seasons. Click the link below to learn more.